Welcome back. This tutorial will show you how to get today's date in Microsoft Excel, and that date will automatically change depending on the day. So this might be useful if you want the date to change for the current date. So to do this, you want to go to your chosen cell and hit equals, and then put in today, and then open bracket, close bracket, and you can see it will do that nicely. Now you can change the format of the date. To do that, you just want to hit Control 1 or right click and go to Format Cells, or you can go to Home and you see where it says Date. You can choose long date or short date as well there. If you want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how to change the format of a date, including how to get the day behind it, then I will show you how to do that in another video, and that will be in the description. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like, and I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.